Good morning, guys. I am Saving with Shay. I'm here for my midweek Walmart haul for you guys. If you are new here, yes, because I know some of y'all is new. You were suggested by YouTube. Definitely subscribe. Definitely make sure that you hit the like button. Support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss a video. So listen, this is gonna be my midweek, and I only need 5 offers for $1. Yes, Ibotta did me like that. Okay, Ibotta, I see you. And then we have the April bonus. I think it was like a week ago or so. Ibotta hit us with the option to choose our bonus, and there was 3 options, and I wanted to play it safe and stay in the middle, but literally, like, I think for me it was like 144 offers for $35 or 150 offers for $50, and I was just like, that's pretty easy. That's an easy decision. So, and if you know me, you know I'm the type of go big or go home anyway. So I went for the biggest bonus, which is $50. I'm hoping that I can pull it off. I do have multiple redemptions counting for me, so that's good. The other thing I want to mention is the Rockstar. So when you submit your receipt, it should take 24 hours. Like, I did the deal. I did it 7 times yesterday, and all of my receipts went through this morning except one. Only one said we'll hit you up in 24 hours. All right, all the other ones hit my Venmo this morning. All right, it should take 24 hours. Now, when you submit your receipt, you're gonna get 1 out of 2 different responses, right? Either they telling you, hey, we'll hit you back in 24 hours, or they're saying bam, boom, or something like that. Here's your money. All right, you're going to get 1 of the 2 responses. If you don't get no response and you get nothing but crickets and be like, resubmit the receipt. I've done that. Resubmit it until you get a response. Even when I get the, we'll hit you back in 24 hours. Even when I get that response, I'll still resubmit the receipt. But on my receipt, I'll write 24 hours or something like that, so that it reminds me that I got to follow up with this receipt. And I have all my receipts that have been approved in a different stack. But I mean, you can always scroll through your activity to see which ones went through or not. But that's the deal with the Rockstar, and you can do it again every other week. I can't test it out to see if I can still do it while also redeeming, because I have so many to redeem, and every time I submit a receipt, it's a redemption for one of you guys using my link. All right. So with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Rockstars. Same deal, different day. It's gonna run throughout the year, so you're gonna keep on seeing this. And so it's priced at a $188. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying what? You're gonna pay $376, getting back 5 through aisles. It's either Venmo or PayPal. And then I did have an offer pop up on Fetch Reward yesterday for, I think it's spend 10, get back $250. But all of them are not counted for some reason, so just be prepared to put a ticket in if you have to. And then of course, clearance. This is St. Patrick's Day clearance. I actually got this shirt. I thought it was cute. And I think they're $174 still. Yep, $174. I'm hoping they drop a little cheaper, because I will get like an extra large or a 2X and wear this as pajamas. And so yeah, but I totally would wear this to the gym, because I be feeling lucky. And so yeah, Walmart got jokes. Y'all got jokes, Walmart, right? Y'all think this is funny? This ain't funny. This ain't funny. Y'all gonna push the price back up? Really? It's like that? I guess y'all got rid of all that overflow that y'all didn't need. I got the overflow. But I just want to point out that these have been 97 cents, and they went back up to regular price. We see you. So this next group of deals are on the Febreze. We're grabbing the space, the small spaces, which is priced at $342. The Air Mist, which is priced at $324. And then we're going to also grab the Plug, which is priced at $342. Getting back $230 for each of them on Ibotta.
Now I also have brand club surveys as well for 40, 45, and 50 cents, making one 72 cents, one 49 cents, and one only 62 cents. So this next deal, this guy, he just pulled out one item and they all fell on the floor. I was like, really? Don't you hate that? You only want that one thing and they all fall out. So as you can see, they don't have any. I did this deal yesterday. It's on the Swiffer. It's the 5 count. It's priced at $5.72. You see it right there? $5.72. This is working for the $5 offer on Ibotta. I went ahead and grabbed one for Ibotta, one for Walmart Cash, making them only 72 cents. Right, so this next deal is on the Clorox wipes. It's on the 9 count, which is located in the travel section. Now, if you can't find any here, there's a display thing. I'm gonna show you. Right there. See that? Check there, because if you can't find them here, chances are they're over there. All right, these are priced at $112. You want to grab a total of 4 of them. You can end up paying $4.48 and getting back $7 on Swagbucks. It's also on My Points, Inbox, and Ta-da. It'll make this a $2.52 moneymaker, I want to say. But I do have surveys for Brand Club. I have one for 55, 45, and 40 cents. Making this a $3.92 moneymaker. And so, yeah, I went ahead and did it across the board. The receipt went through with all of them. I know the rebate offer excludes trial size, but it has been working, and it worked for me. And I ain't saying you should do it, but it did work for me. So they do have the Aussie. I saw this yesterday when I was here, but it doesn't have a price. I don't know how much it is, and it's not scanned through the app, so it could make it a freebie. I'll see what they scan for up front. But it's buy 2, get back 3, and it does work for these as well. Okay, well, I was looking for the Gillette razors. I know one of you guys said it is working on Ibotta this time around, but I don't think they sell them in my area anymore because I don't see them. But I don't even know what they're priced for. Getting back $3 on Ibotta. So if you can find the little single Gillette Sensor 3 1-pack, you'll get back 3 on Ibotta. And I assume it's working for Walmart Cash as well. Not least on the trial section is going to be on the Shea Moisture. It's on the Curl Enhancing Smoothies. These are priced at $3, getting back $3 on Ibotta. Limit of 5. I could only find 2. I'm probably going to check the regular aisle and see if they put them over there, because sometimes they put these on the regular aisle. But anyways, it makes it free. Now I do have an offer on Fetch Reward, but it excludes child size. But you never know. I might scan it, I might get $1 back. You never know. We'll see. So I'm pretty sure that Ibotta's already nipped this one in the butt, but it's on the Old Spice Gentleman's Super Hydration Moisturizing Body Wash. Price at $12.97. Now this was working for 2 offers on Ibotta, both for $4 plus $1 bonus, and then 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4. Made this a 3-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed the bars here, which they had a full shelf yesterday, priced at $4.97. For this, you're grabbing 3 of them. You'll pay $14.91, getting back an offer on Ibotta for $6 when you buy 3, and $4 back when you buy 2, and then 525 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.10. It brings it down to only 93 cents each. So this was also double dipping on Ibotta as well. It's on the Olay body wash, priced at $12.97. It was working for a $5 offer and a $4 offer, getting back $9, and then 875 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.50. And last but not least, a 55-cent brand club survey, making this an 8-cent money. All right, so this deal, I'm sure it's been nipped in the butt as well. I'm sure all these deals have been nipped in the butt, but I had to share them in this video because it just makes it easier for me to keep my hauls together and organized. And price at $12.97, getting back 2 offers on Ibotta for $4, and then 875 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.50, and then a brand club survey for 45 cents, making this $1.02. I also grabbed the sticks as well. Which one did I grab? I think I grabbed the Bear Glove. I grabbed 2 of those, and then I grabbed one of the trial size. For this deal, make sure you're checking to see which ones qualify for the offer on Shopkick. There's only certain ones that are working, and lately I've noticed that if it doesn't scan, then if I don't scan to verify it in store, then chances are I'm not going to get it back if I put a ticket in. So the last time I put a ticket in for like the Dove, they were like, okay, the UPCs have to match whatever, and I didn't scan it in store. And so always make sure you're checking first to see which ones work. But we got 2 of these, price is $6.27, and then we got the trial size at $154. The total was $14.08 for all 3 products, and then getting back $5 for buying 3 on Ibotta and $5 for buying 2 on Ibotta. And then last but not least, 700 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.80. Oh, I have Brand Club too. 40 cents on Brand Club makes them 29 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Now, again, the 5 back when you buy 3 works on these as well. So if you want to just make it easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and grab 3 of these, then you can as well. And you'll end up paying what? You'll end up paying $4.41, getting back 5. So make them a 59-cent money. So this is the last couple deals that I'm gonna talk about. So if you are still here with me right now, I want to see a monkey emoji in the comments. So we're gonna be grabbing the Dulcim again. It's priced at $8.47, getting back 5 on Ibotta and 5 on Shopmium, since that offer did reset for us, making that a $1.53 moneymaker. Alright guys, so reporting for the latest winners of the Walmart e-gift card. Alright, we had lots of you guys participating, and the first winner is Dolores Valdez. Miss Dolores, you are the first winner, and our second winner and runner-up is Kendra Riggins. Miss Kendra, you are the second winner. I will include my email address below. Contact me and I will get you guys your cards. As always, thank y'all for entering. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Mucinex soothing cough drop thingies. These are priced at $5.23, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium. It'll make it $1.23. Now I might still have this on one of the sister apps as well. Other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right guys, so here is our complete haul for today. Everything worked out really good. Please excuse that knocking. The gardeners on the side of the house doing, you know, gardening stuff. And so this haul worked out really good. I ended up doing Rockstar 8 times at Walmart and 5 times at Dollar Tree. And again, whenever you guys use my link, I get another redemption. All right, but it is 1 redemption per receipt, so I have a ton of receipts because of that. All right, and so there was that. The other thing I went to Dollar Tree for was the refresh. I wanted to see if it was gonna work. These are $1.25 as of right now, because you know prices are gonna be going up over there at the Dollar Hood. And so the offer is on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada, and it's only on the new car scent and the fresh linen, but because of the way that Dollar Tree's, you know, receipts are not specific to scents and stuff, it went through even with the Lighthouse ones. All right, I did it on Swagbucks. It did go into review. My Points, it went straight through. Inbox dollars, it said duplicate receipt. And I think I tried it like maybe the 5th or the 6th time it actually finally went through. So it made those absolutely free. Now I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow and do it on Tada. That's the only one I didn't do today. And then I also wanted to try the Poise. Grabbing 2 of these, you'll pay $2.50. It does scan for the offer on Shopmium, making that a $2.50 moneymaker. And then if I didn't mention the Rockstars, you'll pay $2.50, get back 5. So make those a $2.50 moneymaker as well. For those of you who wanted to see all of the Clorox, you see it. That deal ended up being really good. Again, we did that Clorox deal across the board. It went through across the board. Again, I know that the offer excludes the trial size, but it does work. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't tell me about it in the comments, okay? Because I'm not here for that. What else with this haul? Oh, the Dulcim. I do have an offer on Swagbucks for $5, so I made that a nice money maker. The Mucinex, I had 2 $2 offers on Shopmium. I got them both, plus $2 on Swagbucks, so I made that a nice money maker as well. The Shea Moisture actually scanned for $2, which I didn't expect. And then I got back $3 for each on Ibotta, as well as brand club surveys, which is awesome on that. And I think, you guys, I think that's basically it for this haul. So everything you see here retails $191.77, no coupons. We walk away with $74.90 from Ibotta. $65 from Aisles. I am still waiting for 2 receipts that said we'll hit you up in 24 hours. So I'm still waiting. I'm probably going to try to rescan them again by the end of the day and see if they go through. But $65 total from Aisles. Swagbucks is $19. Shopkick is $16.60. ShopMium is $14, and I'm still waiting for the poise to clear. My Dollar Tree receipts always take forever, and Food for Less, they take forever as well. My points is $12.83. Inbox dollars is $12. Walmart cash is $10. Tada is $7. Brand Club is $6.50. And last but not least is Fetch Reward at $2.50. So we walk away with a total of $240.33 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free for a $48.56 moneymaker, which is amazing. My tax was $18.74. Again, here in California, AA, we do pay a 5 cents tax redemption on recyclables. So yeah. All right. So after my tax, though, I still make $29.82, which is really, really cool. Other than that, I will leave it there. Just like what's your emoji? A moon and a sun, he said, because there's going to be an eclipse on Monday. So if you could find an eclipse emoji, that would be awesome. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.